Hello, hello, it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. Welcome to my 12 Days of Christmas series. We are on day 4, it's December 4th, and all of these videos correspond with gifts that I included in my 12 Days of Christmas gift box, which hopefully, I checked some tracking numbers, are arriving. I don't know why it's taking so long, and I do apologize if you're waiting for your gift box, but it should arrive today if it hasn't already arrived. So if you are one of my 12 Days of Christmas gift box recipients, don't watch this video until you open your day 4 gift. I'm going to give you a second to click off the video. Okay, I'm about to spoil the gift. Okay, the gift today in my gift box was the Flowers for Every Season 6x6 designer paper. And part of the gift box included a bonus gift. And so the bonus gift was a frame and pre-cut calendar pieces to make a calendar, which I have done right here. So today I'm going to walk you through creating this calendar. I had so much fun, and I'm really super excited about this project. I do have some calendar kit options for everyone. So if you didn't get the 12 Days of Christmas gift box, don't worry. You can still get yourself a kit to make this project. First of all, let me share the project that inspired it. This was my Christmas countdown calendar, which I know some of you got. I used the Wonder of the Season, Memories and More card kit to design this little flip calendar. We're currently on number 4 because it's December 4th. We've got this in our kitchen. I'm using the same pedestal frame. This is a frame that I got at IKEA, but they don't sell it anymore, so I was able to find it on Amazon, and it did not come with the rings. I attached those separately. So the rings are just loose leaf binder rings. They're 1 1/4 inch in size, and they fit perfectly with the pages inside of the frame like this. So the frame actually includes plastic pieces that protect your photo, and I've just taken them out and then put the rings on the top. So let's talk about how to make this calendar. So I'm using the Flowers for Every Season designer paper, and one of the reasons that I chose this paper was because it has 12 different designs, and there's 12 months in the year, and there's flowers for every season, just like it says. So we've got some sunflowers, we have some daisies, we have some more sunflowers and roses and more roses. I love this green one for March. I use this yellow pattern for October. Each of these is double-sided, so you can pick and choose whichever designs that you want to create a calendar with. But I just thought it was so perfect with 12 different designs, and so I chose this paper, the Flowers for Every Season paper. So the first thing to do if you're making this calendar at home is to cut your paper down to size. I'm using this piece here. This is the daisy paper, and so the size that fits nicely in this frame is 3 1/4 by 5 1/4. So I'm going to cut those pieces off, cut that 6x6 piece down, and you can see you still have quite a bit of designer paper left. So this is going to be perfect for making cards or other projects. So I'm going to save this. I've got some projects in mind. I still haven't made them up, but I'll share them when I do. Okay, so we've got our piece here. And then as part of the kit, there is a template for the cutting. And so you can either cut this out and print it and cut out the template, or you can create your own template, which is what I did here. So the template, essentially we're punching 2 holes that are 1/2 inch from the top and 3/4 inch in from each side. So you can create your own template. You don't need to print the one. You can create this at home just with a ruler. This is a piece of cardboard from designer paper. So then you're going to punch through the template and punch your holes. All right, so you can't see them. There we go. Got some holes in there. And then the next part is the calendar. So part of the kit, you'll either get the PDF, so you can print your own, or 2 of the kit options include pre-cut pieces so that you can just assemble your kit. So I used the Stitched So Sweetly dies. These are from the annual catalog 151690. And so I used this die, the second largest scalloped rectangle, to die cut these pieces. So I cut this into strips, and then I'm going to show you the little baby mini big shot again. So you're going to line up the template, and we're going to send it through. Now, the calendars have these gray lines just to help you distinguish from the different weeks, and they fit just perfectly inside of the dies. You can see you have just a little bit of room on either side, and for the months that have the 5 different weeks or 6 different weeks, that's going to go all the way at the bottom. So just a little bit of room all the way around. And this is going to go, I cut this one down so I could put it through the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Did you guys see my live last night? I used the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, I'm calling her Lucy, to die cut for the projects that we made during Thursday night stamp therapy. It's brand new. Demonstrators can pre-order right now in December, and it will be available for everybody to order in January. She's so cute, and it's perfect for a little desk size if I don't want to get out the big machine, or if you ever travel with your die cutting machine, it's going to be perfect for that as well. So it works with all the regular dies. Any die that will fit in the machine, you can use it. Someone asked, what can you not do with the mini machine? So that would be any kind of die that is too big for the machine. Larger dies, larger regular size embossing folders also will not fit in there. So I cut all of those out. This calendar is so simple, but I love it so much. And then I just attached it with Stampin' Dimensionals. So I'm going to do, I like to do 5. I like to have the one in the middle so that it stays supported and doesn't kind of sink. So this is going to go toward the bottom. I'm doing an even amount of space from the bottom and the sides. And then it has the holes at the top. So here is the finished calendar. And I just love all these patterns. You see just enough of it on the sides and then some at the top. There is flowers for every season. Isn't this a fun calendar? Okay, so you guys probably want to know, how can you make a calendar like this? I created the calendar template in Word. I just designed it myself. So you can do that at home and die cut and create your own calendar, or you can get the PDF from me and all the work is done for you. So let me show you what the PDF includes. So it includes a picture. It includes a picture of each of the months so you can see which designer papers I used. It includes some directions. It includes the calendar page punching template. It also includes, I got these mixed up here. There are 2 different versions of the calendar template. One of them includes the month and the year, and the other one includes just the month. I couldn't decide, so I just threw them both in there. So you have these. So this is a 6-page PDF template, and anyone can get that. So if you want to make this at home, you can print as many calendars as you want. They're so great to make up as a gift or for yourself, especially with Christmas coming up. So you can reserve your kit at this address, tinyurl.com/2021 calendar kit. Okay, so that's one option. One option is the PDF, and then the other option, there's 2 more options. One of them is everything that is ready to go. So let me put this aside. So the ready to assemble kit includes 12 pre-punched pieces, Stampin' Dimensionals to assemble them, and then your calendar pieces. So all 12 die cut pieces. So the materials to make one calendar, ready to go, ready to assemble. All you have to do is stick them on the page and assemble the frame. And that is $15 plus $5 per postage. This is US only. And then the other option is to do a semi DIY is what I'm calling it. So that kit option would include a package of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, and a package of the Flowers for Every Season designer paper. So in this option, you would have to cut your own pages and punch them, but then you would get to keep all those leftover pieces. You would still get one set of die cut calendars, the frame and the rings, and then you'd also get the PDF with this option. So this is kind of enough to make one, and then the PDF so that you can print and make more calendars. Isn't that awesome? I'm so excited about this calendar kit. Now, I know many of you are my team members who are watching, and so I would like to let you know that all of my team members on the Jubilant Stampers team will receive the PDF for free. Yay! It's a perk for being on my team. I like to surprise my team and provide them with PDFs and tutorials as much as I can. So all of my team members will receive the PDF for free. I'll be sending the link out in the next couple days. I'm still putting the finishing touches on the PDF, and it will be available in an Etsy store to download and purchase. Right now, you can reserve any of these kits, including the PDF, at this link. If you reserve the PDF at this link, as soon as it's ready to go in the Etsy shop, I will send you the link so that you can go on Etsy and purchase it and download it immediately. So super exciting. What do you think? Do you love this project? I think a calendar is a really fun gift to give at Christmas time, or just to start the new year, do something fun. And the Flowers for Every Season is perfect for it. Well, that is my project today. I hope that it inspired you. Maybe if you don't want to use Flowers for Every Season, maybe you'll create a different calendar of your own for your Christmas gifting. Tune in tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. Central Time for day 5 of 12 Days of Christmas. Thanks for watching. Happy stamping!